Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening Clock app and choosing alarm icon at the bottom left corner. Now, to create your alarm, tap on this plus and set up an hour. When you finished, click on repeat and pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. In my case, Fridays and Wednesdays. To save them, select OK. Now click on Sound. Select Allow and begin by tapping on Vibration at the top. Over here, you can pick the best vibration pattern for your incoming alarms by clicking on the chosen one. You can also disable it completely by selecting None. Wherever you do, when you're ready, go back, tap on Music on Device, and tap on one of those songs if you wish to apply music from your smartphone as alarm sound. If you don't, you can always pick one of those ringtones instead, like Ocean Whisper. Then click on Label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on OK. Now pick ring duration and select how many minutes your alarm will ring. I will go with 15 or 20. Now tap on snooze duration and swipe left or right on those two sliders to pick how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, hit OK. Finally, to save your alarm, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. Then turn it back on the same way. If you want to make some changes, click on it, change wherever you wish to, and tap on the check mark again. In order to get rid of it though, you need to click on it again, but this time select Delete at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!